there's basically 3 ways to restore full dentition back to function and back to cosmetics. And so when you come into the office, we provide you with all 3 options. You're going from your basic denture, traditional dentures that have been around for years, to what I think is pretty much the standard of care now, which is an All-On-X type prosthetic device. And then in the middle, there's an overdenture that sits over the implants. Your traditional denture basically is, the one that you see on TV, sitting on a cup somewhere. Someone has a lay it in, they take it out at night, put it back in. It's something we really don't do much anymore these days because there are so much more advances in implants, and because the availability of doctors doing them and the cost has gone down a little bit. So we can do a traditional denture, but there's so many disadvantages as far as fit, function, continuing losing the bone because there is nothing there to support the denture. The best way to do it, the most ideal way to do it, is an All-On-X type product. That can be done on 4 implants, 5 implants, 6 implants, depending on what type of bone the patient has. And what that is basically you get a full arch, all porcelain appliance that doesn't come out, that looks real, that feels real, and that will last you for years and years and years, and you can pretty much do whatever you want, just like it's your own teeth. Somewhere in the middle, you have your implant overdenture, which is a lot better than a traditional denture because it does sit on implants, which allows it to be a little more stable. It allows, the number one complaint people have with regular dentures is on the bottom. The fit is terrible, it moves around. And on the top, your palate is unfortunately covered, which affects speech, it affects your taste. With an overdenture, we can overcome those 2 things. It does have a better fit. The palate isn't covered. So the overdenture is a lot better than your traditional denture for all these reasons. But again, it's still inferior to an All-On-X type product, which is, to me, the standard of care and the ones that we do most and the ones that the patients are happiest with. So my advice to the patients is to please do a lot of research before they choose a dentist. Make sure the dentist that you choose has a lot of experience doing these type of procedures. This is a large investment on the part of the patient, not only financially, but emotionally. The procedure is a process, but the outcome is 1,000% worth it. You need to find somebody who does this every single day, not somebody who does one here and there, somebody who actually runs a practice that specializes in these type of procedures. And here at Smile Design Dental, this is what we do. To find out how an All-On-X type appliance can impact your life in a positive way, please contact Smile Design Dental for a complimentary consultation.